SRB hydraulic power units have started. T-minus 21 seconds, and the solid rocket booster engine gimbal now underway. T-minus 15 seconds.
Challenger, Houston, we have good TV. Go ahead with the lesson, Krista.
Okay. Good morning. This is Krista McAuliffe, live from the Challenger, and I'm going to be taking you through a field trip. I'm going to start out introducing you to two very important members of the crew.
It had been publicized. She had been interviewed on TV shows, all kinds of stuff about, because they had to prepare her for space.
Right now, going live to Cape Canaveral in Florida, here's news director Jerry Little. Jerry, what's happening?
It was July 1985, Glenn, when Krista McAuliffe beat out better than 1,000 other teachers who chosen to be the first private citizen in space.
But I wanted to see it, and I knew it was going to be on television, and so I was in between classes, and so I'm sitting in the lobby. We had sofas in there, and we had like 2 TVs. So I'm sitting in there and I'm watching it, and it's time for the countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6. We have main engine start. 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff. Liftoff of the 25th Space Shuttle mission, and it has cleared the tower.
Now control. Roger, roll, Challenger. Good roll program confirmed. Challenger now heading downrange. Engines beginning throttling down now at 94%. Normal throttles for most of the flight, 104%. We'll throttle down to 65% shortly.
And then you see it, they say, okay,
running normally.
have a successful launch. Like at first it loses these 2 big, like fuel system things fall off and that kind of stuff, and they say, I can't remember exactly where it was, but the guy's talking like, right, the next thing that's going to happen is this, blah, 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 blah. Then all of a sudden there's just this huge,
It looked as though they were not going to be able to get off.
it just blows up.
1 minute 15 seconds. Velocity 2,900 feet per second. Altitude 9 nautical miles. Downrange distance 7 nautical miles.
Looks like a couple of the solid rocket boosters blew away from the side of the shuttle in an explosion.
Flight controllers here looking very carefully at the situation.
It was just
Obviously a major malfunction.
awful.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd planned to speak to you tonight to report on the State of the Union. But the events of earlier today have led me to change those plans. Today is a day for mourning and remembering. Nancy and I are pained to the core by the tragedy of the Shuttle Challenger. We know we share this pain with all of the people of our country. This is truly a national loss. It's all part of taking a chance and expanding man's horizons. The future doesn't belong to the faint-hearted. It belongs to the brave. The Challenger crew was pulling us into the future, and we'll continue to follow.